Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Sharpshooter 18. Kill 2 enemies with mines, then 2 with SNR or DMR in 5 seconds. So I prefer we go to the Golem Island, and here at Chemical Refinery there's a bivac here, and there are cars gonna coming here, enemy cars. So I suggest we plant our mines here. Make sure to equip your mines. I have an MK2, which is really powerful. And let's start the mission. I'm not sure which car is coming first, but I think this one's coming first. So I'm gonna plant some mines over here, I guess. And I'm gonna run over there. Yep, it's near. And there you go, complete. Well, that's it. So if you guys like this content, like and subscribe, and see you on another video. Hello everyone, welcome back. Sharpshooter 18. Hit a pair of legs, a chest, and a head in this order without missing a shot. So all you have to do is just hit enemies in that order chronologically. Make sure you hit the legs first, the chest, and then the head. And it doesn't matter what weapon you are using, as long as you can hit them right in order. You can use a sniper if you want, shotgun, and you can even shot one enemy and then move on to another a few seconds or so. No need to rush it. Like that, chest, and then head. Why it didn't work? Probably I hit it wrong. Alright, let's try to go to this place. Without missing a shot. I never miss a shot. Chest, head. There, I hit it. There you go. Just want to get even with that guy. Alright, let's continue with the mission. We can go for this, you know, like head, chest. Okay. That's it. Legs, chest, and head. Legs first, chest second, head last.
Yeah, got it. No movement over here.
Legs first, chest second, head last. You don't need to rush about this because as long as you do it chronologically, I think it's all good. Something like this. Goodbye, bro. There you go. See? Alright, if you enjoy this videos, hit the subscribe button before I get hit by that helicopter. Thank you guys and see you in the next video. Who's that? Who's that girl? Did she just... She just did. That's weird. You're safe now. Hello everyone, welcome back. Sharpshooter 18 and hit 30 shots on human enemies without missing. So make sure you don't hit drones, otherwise you will have to go back from counting to 1. So the weapons I'm using right now is Balif for 10, and I believe that you could hit around 3 shots for this. Yeah, it says here 3 shots. Yeah, I think so. Anyway, if you're wondering where I am, I'm here at Fenbog, Harris Forest Bivac. There are 3 to 5 enemies over here and also here, so be careful of this car that's passing by because they're gonna shoot at you. So make sure when you do this mission, try to avoid them. And also for your ghost parameters, ghost experience parameters, I'm using normal. A while ago it was set to extreme, but I just want to use normal. It doesn't matter if you're using extreme, advanced, easy, or normal, as long as you play on your own pace. Just enjoy the game. Oh, by the way, you need some flashbangs before launching in. So that's around like 5 enemies over there. You need to get as close as possible to hit that body shot, because last mission was like around 5 enemies with 15 shots already, so I'm expecting this will be 10 enemies. I just wanna hide from those tanks.
My side's clear. My eyes! Alright, heads up! We're not alone!
Alright. Those are like 5 enemies already, so I believe that was like 15. I'm not sure if I hit that guy, but let's see. So I need 5 more enemies to... If this mission will never be complete, that means I missed some enemies, but let's see. Because I believe that guy just standing there when I had the shot and he was still alive, so hopefully
Things are getting worse. This shit ends now.
That's it. Look at this.
Stun grenades! Stay sharp!
Oh my god, G28. It's a good gun. So this was like 7. I need 3 more enemies. Let's see. To reload. It's okay to reload because the mission didn't state that without reloading or something.
Flashbangs! Stay alert! I'm tough!
There you go, complete. Yeah. So I believe that I did hit the guy like twice when I was so close to him and he didn't die. And I have to hit him again. So I believe that he got like full body armor. Anyway, at least it's proven that this shot requires like around 10 enemies. You know, this gun, Balif. So if ever you don't have that one yet, you can buy it at Maria's shop. Anyway, if you like and this video, like and subscribe. And if you enjoy it, see ya.